Finally got the keys. So I finally have my own place now. Yay! And I can't believe that I'm actually moving in because for so long I never really had my own place. I've been sharing room with my siblings, and my filming area, I shared that with my relatives. And yes, that's what I never really spoke about in my videos during my room tour. That's why this place means so much to me, and I know a huge part of it, I owe it to you guys for supporting me. That's why I realized I've been holding myself back too much from opening it up to you guys and letting you see a part of me. Halfway through the year, I never really spoke about my struggles, but this was the time that I hit rock bottom. Like, I literally had nothing, literally nothing, to the point na even if magtanong ako ng advice from significant people around me, they don't know what should I do. It's a type of struggle that only God can tell what's next for me, and that was the time I really felt lost. And that was the first time that my life felt like it had no direction at all. It was such a dark time for me, and it was the time that I prayed to God that, Lord, I don't know what's happening in my life, I don't know what is your plan, but I know that you are in control. And saying that prayer was so tough for me. I remember going to school with my heart pounding because of anxiety, and it was also like a constant feeling of not being good enough. Like, wherever I go to, I felt like I didn't belong. And although that kind of seems superficial to others, and some people might invalidate what I've struggled to the problem of others, but I know that what I felt was valid. But little did I know that was just God redirecting me to a certain path, from literally having nothing to getting into my dream university that I never would have thought that I would get into, that never really crossed my mind that I would get into. And also getting my own place, my own apartment, traveling for the first time, pursuing what I've always wanted to pursue and what I'm passionate about. That's why this place means so much to me. Like, ang tagal kong hinubak yung sarili ko sa mga rewards, from spoiling myself for me to save up for everything that I am getting right now. Really worked hard in this, and it would make my life easier and more convenient in all aspects. Like, I get to be more productive in what I'm doing in YouTube, which is like the reason why I am attaining all of these things, and it's also because of you guys. That's why I really want to say thank you so much for supporting me. Literally, I'm getting so happy, but thank you so much. And now we'll proceed to the real moving on vlog. No, moving in vlog.
Singing songs and leave this old life behind. Waste no more time living out someone else's life. I'm just gonna take back what's mine. My heart's been longing for life. I wanna tiptoe across the open unknown, where golden sun meets white snow, and call this old van my home. I wanna kiss her in front of all these strangers. Maybe that's what love is, or maybe we're just dumb kids. I don't wanna waste no more time living out someone else's life. I'm just gonna take
Hi, Tita Archie, I miss you.
We are gonna cheers to that. I'm just gonna cut this. Cheers. Shoot. Shoot.
I see you at the movies. I see you with your lipstick on. I'm looking out for cosmos. I'm hoping that we'll get
but I'm not gonna let this end. Hold on. I don't look serious with my headphones. One thing that I've learned all throughout this process is that don't let anyone invalidate your dreams or your problems, because you are valid in his eyes. And I may not be the best student out there, or I may not get straight A's, or I may not be the smartest kid in the classroom, but the reason why I'm here is because I loved creating videos and I worked super hard on them. And I just really want to say thank you to my mama and my papa, to my siblings, and also to Sean and my friends for helping me get through this, and also to you, the one watching this. Thank you so much for your support. It means so much, and I can't wait what's next for us.